In the next line, we will be writing a code to read a CSV file. So before that, I need to have a CSV file at some point of location. So what I have done in this exercises, I've just placed my CSV file in the same folder where I've created the Python exercises folder. In the same directory, I've placed this alcohol.csv. You can get it from, I mean, if you want to place some other directory, that is also fine. But in this exercise, what I want to show is just I'm placing the same uh, in the same directory or where you can read the file very easily. So that's the purpose. I'm just uh, that's the purpose I have placed this alcohol.csv file. So when I'm trying to execute this first exercises of my IPYNB file, we have imported, what we have done is we have imported numpy as np and pandas as pd, and then we are executing it. And after, how do we execute? Shift plus enter. And then in the next line, I'm just taking some variable name. It could be some anything. So what I'm going to do here is just taking the uh, final output. Final output is equals to pd dot, I'm going to read that CSV file, right? So read underscore CSV. Okay, in that I'm going to, what is the file name? If you go and see here, it's the alcohol.csv. So ALCO, alcohol, maybe my spell bad spellings. Okay, so once this is done, I'm going to execute it. Shift plus enter. I've executed. So you may find pandas library has no attribute, so you need not to worry. I'll show. Oh, the main thing is here I have written as API. Sorry for that. Okay, and shift plus enter. Now it got executed, and then I'm just writing as, just reading final output, and I just want executed. Shift plus enter. So it has executed all the 411 rows and 4 columns. Okay, and I'll also show you the CSV file. Just give me a minute. So if you go and click the CSV file, it is opening. See here in the first column we don't have the name, but in the other two columns, I mean the other three columns have country, year and alcohol percentages. So, and this is the indexing. Okay, so if you observe, sorry, so here if you observe, it is named the first, I mean the number it is named as unnamed is equals to 0, and then country, year, alcohol are as it is. So if I want to change this name to the count or some number or some variable name, we will be seeing this exercise in the next class. So currently what we have done is, this is the, just we have read the CSV file, and if I want to display only the top 5 columns of top 5 rows, so what we'll be doing, so we'll just take as final output dot head. Okay, this head is a syntax. So when you use this syntax, it will just display the top 5, 0 1 2 3 4 5. Now if I want to execute 15 columns, okay, what you will do is output dot head, in the brackets you will be giving the number of 25 or 20. Okay, now just execute it. See, it is giving 20 columns. Okay, and I also want to say some of the key points. See here, if you get an error, so if, so for suppose uh, if you get a name PD is not defined. So that means the PD library, and the PD stands for pandas library is not loaded properly. So that's where when you have to restart and clear output, when you restart and clear output, okay, you can see, just hold on a minute, just hold on a minute. See, you can, your kernel is ready now, all your outputs were got erased. Okay, so you have to execute each cell so that it starts executing as per the hierarchy, I mean as per the hierarchical order what the code was written. So in the first cell input was written, so I'm executing with the help of the commands shift plus enter. Similarly in the second line I'm just reading the file, so again shift plus enter. And then in the third I'm just displaying all the content which is present in read.csv, so shift plus enter again, you can see, okay, all the 411 rows. Similarly the next line 5, the top 5, and the next line 20. Okay, now if I want to delete, what you will be doing, see, if I want to delete this head, you have to press escape and plus D, button D, and if you press escape plus button D, it will delete the row, I mean it will delete the cell. Okay, see, escape and D, just hold on a minute. Okay, escape D, escape D. I don't know what, I don't know what's wrong with this, but generally if you press, I mean if you press escape D twice, escape D twice, see, it's gone. I think the button got stuck. So again, if I want to delete this cell 4, escape, press the button D twice. Okay, and again final output, press the button escape with press the button D twice, done. So what we have seen is how we have executed, sorry, we have executed by reading the file of CSV, and we have seen, I mean I have shown you how to read the CSV file with the head as the header. Head stands for header. Okay, so I hope you are pretty much clear with the CSV file, how to read the CSV file. I hope this makes you clear understanding of it. So as the video got lengthier, I mean I've just made the video into 2 parts. Okay, thanks. I hope you have understood pretty clear. In the next class we'll be seeing how to change the column name or row name, I mean and display the content, standard, mean, standard deviation, and mean, median, mode, all those stuff in the next class. Hope you enjoyed the class. Thanks.